What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm heading down south to pick up my lug nuts so we can finally put on the TE37. Today should be a fairly good day. Hopefully everything goes well. Finna head to Velocity Shop to go pick up these lug nuts because they're closed. I don't have to worry about shipping anything, well, having anything shipped during this stupid time, but I'm gonna use this Corona quarantine time to my fullest advantage. I'm gonna daily upload, make skits, do everything I need to do, because I am that. Yeah, but hold on, before we start the day, gotta always take care of your essentials. You know what I mean? Beard looking nice. Brush the peas on the side of the head. They're like, what, Zosh, you have peas on the side of your head? The color folk know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? Yeah. All right, we ready to roll. Let's get up out of here and head down. Bro, it's crazy. So I just listened to I got my Mac Miller playlist going on. I miss Mac, man. I wish I would have went to his concert. I wish I could have been witnessed the concert or something. I don't know, man. I miss the dude, man. Like I was hearing this song Self-Care, and at the end of it he was like, I'm gonna be here for a while, so I'm chilling, something, and then like 2 weeks later he died. Like, that shit is crazy to me, bro, because I'd be like, I feel so weird speaking about like me in the future, like, oh, I can't wait to get my Evo at the end of this year, or buy a house at the end of this year, and like I can die tomorrow. You know what I mean? Like, I hate thinking that way, but that's just the way my mind has been programmed since I was like 12. You know what I mean? Like, this shit, it makes no sense. But on a higher note of not trying to depress you guys, we are now way down. Oh, I ain't got my seatbelt on. Trust me, I do wear my seatbelt. I don't know, bro. I don't like, it's just something about a seatbelt that make me feel uncomfortable, dog. Like, I don't know. And I know what you're probably thinking. Yo, Zosh, bro, I'd rather you be uncomfortable. Well, most y'all be like, well, Zosh, bro. I'm on my way to Velocity Shop to pick up these Project Kicks black chrome lug nuts. I will show you guys when I get there, bro. These things are expensive. I'm about to drop like $100 and something on some lug nuts, dog. That's how you know I'm taking my craft seriously now with my car. Like, I'm really trying to get into the purest form of myself when it comes to buying stuff. Cause y'all know me, bro. I slap on some damn Mutegis and call it a day. 60 bones, black, they look good. They wouldn't look good. But nope. Gonna pick up some Project Kicks lug nuts because driver told me to get them, and I look up the driver because that man's car is clean. He take care of his stuff. He knows what works. He knows what doesn't, and that's what's going on. So, yeah, time to jam out to this Mac. Put you guys on the time lapse and keep it moving, baby. Keep it moving. Alright, baby, so this is what I got. These Racing Composite R26s from Velocity Shop. If you guys want to come, I dropped the address on the screen right here. It's C2 building, office, blah, 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 blah. Huge shout out to Freeman, Driver, and Mike for, you know what I mean, having these bad boys in stock and only 30 minutes away from the crib. Oh, you hear me? Let's get back home and dial in this suspension, baby. Let's get this car on all fours. Let's go! Sorry, I'm just really hype right now. Alright, so made it back home safe and sound again. Hey, bro, I'm doing my best out here. And these are the Project Kicks Racing Composite R26 lug nuts that I picked up. They have the extended versions, but I got the short because I'm broke. And these still cost $130. $130. So my total is $2,130 that I paid for my wheel and lug nut combo. It's ridiculous, but you gotta do it. You don't want to ruin your brand new wheels. So, you know, gotta make it do what it do, dog. So I'm gonna get these open and installed and all that good stuff. And you guys see this lug nut, right? I'm trying to get it to focus on it, but it's not focusing. It's not. All right, there you go. So look, it spins. Like this right here spins, so it doesn't ruin the or gouge. Well, same thing. It doesn't ruin your inner lug nut diameter when you tighten down your wheel. Like this spins. So there we go. Oh, look at that right there. So you guys see how it does that. Perfect. I try to do a cinematic given my circumstances of not having any place to do cool cinematics, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you didn't, well, here's a walk around. Huh? Nah, whatever. It is okay. I'm here with Randy. Hey, bro, last night I was watching some old videos, bruh.
Of us?
Yeah, bro. That shit was so funny. Yo, we were savages. That shit was so funny. But here's a quick little walk around of it, how it looks. I didn't do no suspension modifications, nothing. This is literally from off the slips into the TEs, 15x8 plus 35, 225, 45 tire, and that's what I got. But right now, I'm actually finna head over to the homie Keem Fab's crib because I gotta weld something up on the throttle body because I don't like how my throttle body bolts keep coming loose, man. So I'm just gonna have them tack welded or welded in place so I don't have to have that issue again. So that's what we're doing right now. Being ready, finna head down there, baby. Oh, it's steel? Oh man, I made it to King's place to get my throttle body situation taken care of, but it's steel. Yeah, I got you, bro. Nothing will like bond it, like just to make it stay still. Here's a better representation, kind of. Ooh. All right, quick update. Keem's gonna weld, since this is steel and the bolt is steel, he's gonna tack weld this the bolt onto the thing so it can never back out again. So that should be a good fix for now. Shouldn't have no more issues, hopefully. And yeah, be back on the road. Ooh, look at that boy, ready to go. Ooh. All done. It will. Damn, bro.
I'm sorry, I haven't drove in a long ass time.
Bro, them brakes is, bruh.
I'm used to the brakes.
I'm saying,
different. Nigga, we were doing 120, bro. Holy shit, this bitch moved.
Does it feel different?
It does.
I'm telling you, bro. I don't know what. It gotta be the wheels, bro.
Hey, it's the wheels,
got
bro.
it, cause 15-inch, bruh. That shit is crazy.
The brakes don't feel that sensitive though.
Bro, that nigga was flying. Oh.
pressing my shit hard.
That's funny. That been moved though. That been moving though, man. That been moving.
Did you watch the tachometer?
Yeah, that bitch was out, bro.
That bitch was gone, bro.
Bro, that bitch was moving. Look at that. Just look at that. Oh my God, bro. Oh, this car is so beautiful. But I am on my way to Randy's job to get an alignment. And then from there, I'll close out this video with probably a nice cinematic, some photos so I can post on my Instagram. And yeah, man, getting you guys this daily quarantine content, baby. Randy. Oh, nah, bruh. Nah, bruh. Vlogging on my phone, but everything is good. And Randy just lowering the car now. Everything's in the green. It's all good. Fred showed up. Fred, I'm fine. I feel like you, bro. I got my camera in the car, but I'm vlogging on my phone.
I'm trying to tell you, that's the only way to do it, bro. You got 11 p.m., bro. Fuck all that fancy cameras.
Come on, man. I gotta bleep that shit out.
For what? I told you about cursing, bro.
I give us a rundown on cursing.
Nigga, you ain't gotta have it dead in my face.
It's
bro.
on wide angle, bro. See, look.
Don't what the
That's it.
That shit do look good, though.
Bruh. My car finally looks like a damn car that a YouTuber owns.
Ooh, that boy's dumb.
That shit look good, boy. God damn.
That shit, yo.
All right, so I came to this one spot where me and Randy, well, first took pictures. Whatever, it doesn't matter where I took it, but they came to this spot right here to take some pictures for the gram. But look at that. God damn. Hold on, man. Let me get that ISO a little higher then, you know what I mean? Hold on, pimpin'. Hold on. All right, I had to go on manual mode so I can add some exposure to it so you guys can see how icy that. God damn, bro. Oh, that looks so good. Yeah, I would do my cinematics, but I mean, that should be fine. I mean, yeah, this is it. Hold on, let me see. There we go. Well, that's it, man. This is the, you know what I mean? I think I'm gonna get my thumbnail here too while I'm already here. But yeah, buddy. God, I can't believe this is my car. My car is official now, baby. It's official. If it wasn't official before, it's damn near official now. All right, so as you guys can see, I got the RSX out because thought about an issue on their tag. My bolts walked out. So I'm finna just tap them for bigger ones because they keep vibrating. I even had keen welded, as you seen in the previous vlog. I mean, same vlog, yeah. So bolts walked out. I'm gonna take all this apart and then tap bigger bolts in there, and I should be straight. Update on Randy's car. He got a starter body in. Everything is good to go, and he's now putting on the rest of the lip kit. It's gonna look good, boy. So I'm back home. I didn't fix my throttle body today because Ace Hardware is closed and I can't go get the bolts, and instead of tapping the size bigger, I'm just gonna find 2 bolts, get some red Loctite them Johns in there, make sure it's nice and sturdy, and then I should be golden. Hopefully I should be golden. If not, then I don't know what I'm gonna do because I'm gonna need a throttle body, and yeah, that's gonna be my issue. But other than that, how the TEs look, bro? How them TEs look, bro? How them things look, bro? Bro, so I was supposed to start off this video with, you know, I usually start the outro eating food. I come home, my mom made breakfast for dinner, and guess what there's nothing left of? Breakfast for dinner. So now I have to go out to Wendy's, get me a 2 for $5, 10-piece spicy nuggets with a spicy chicken sandwich, maybe some french fries, I don't know. But other than that, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like on the video. Comment if you love me. Subscribe if you want to love me. And buy some merch so I can be cool enough to have parts for the RSX so I can make content. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying your quarantine time with your friends and family. I hope you are... And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.